How to fix 0xc000012d error when starting an application. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix 0xc000012d error when starting an application. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is you'll need to open up your system's advanced properties. So for that, simply search for advanced on your search bar right here. Here you will see view advanced system settings. Open that up. After you open it up, you'll find your system properties. Now you'll need to head over to the advanced section. And after you're on the advanced section, there you will see performance settings. Tap on settings here and again head over to advanced. After you do that, there you will see virtual memory. Tap on change. After you tap on change, here you will need to simply turn off this checkbox. Simply deselect that and there simply select custom size. Now here select an initial size. I'll just select 1212 and on the maximum size make sure that it's right double of your initial size. After that, tap on set and then tap on OK. After doing that, you will need to tap on apply and then tap on OK. And after that, you'll get the option to restart your computer. Simply tap on restart and then restart your device, and after that you can try opening up that application again and you won't be facing the error. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.